Hello, Tech Edinam fans. Welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to be exploring the difference between the none and the empty built-in variables. For that, let us create a file in the built-in variables directory. So let's say none empty.robot. And let's bring in the Selenium library and then our test cases. And for this example, the key words. So to explain the none, I'm going to create a user-defined keyword. Let's name it log details. And let's say it takes some arguments. Let's say the user's full name, and then their occupation. And then for now, let's just log these on the screen. So your full name is, then the name of the variable, full name. And let's put a full stop here. And then you are a, that will be the occupation of the person. So now we've created the keyword called log details, but we have to use it in a test case. So what do? Let's create the test case. So let's say log my details. So we call the log details keyword, and it's expecting two arguments at this point, the full name and the occupation. So let's say Tech Edinam, and the occupation will be TA engineer. Now let's run this file. So we are in the root folder, that's the robot framework course. So let's navigate into the built-in variables folder. Now we can run this non-empty file. So robot non-empty. Yes. So let's run it and see. Yes, so log my details passed. So it logged your full name is Tech Edinam. You are a TA engineer. So suppose we want to accept the salary as well. So let me bring the salary. Yes, so straight away it is complaining mandatory argument missing, salary, meaning it's expecting the salary argument. But as you can see from here, it is not supplied yet. So suppose sometimes the salary can be provided or sometimes it can be left out. So meaning the salary is optional. So the person can choose to supply the salary or not. But the way we've written it, it means these are mandatory. There's a way to make this salary argument optional, and that is where the none variable comes in. So all we have to do is equal to sign and then the none variable, and straight away that error disappears. So let's see what it says. Argument salary. Let's see from here. So it says full name, occupation, salary. Salary is equal to none. So if the salary is not supplied, the value will be none. So let's log the salary and see what it says. So it said salary. Let me bring a text. You earn a month. So you earn the salary in a month. let me create another test case. So log your details. So log details once again, and John Doe. Occupation will be, let's say, a pilot, and then a salary will be, let's say, 5,000 euros a month. Now let's run the file again and see. Yes, so we still have log my details, and now we have the log your details. So let's open log my details and see. So it's saying you earn none a month. So the none itself is a string with the text none. You earn none a month. And now let's check the log your details. It says you earn 5,000 euros a month. Now let's check the occupation. You are a pilot. Your full name is John Doe. So this is what is happening. If the salary is applied, if the salary is given to that keyword, then it's going to use the salary. If it is empty, it is going to use the none string. That is why for the log my details test case, it is logging the none because the salary argument is empty, as in we have not provided it. So instead of 3 arguments, we've supplied only 2. That's the full name, the occupation, and nothing for the salary. But for log your details test case, we supply the John Doe, the pilot, and then the 5,000 euros, which is the salary. So if the salary is given, it is going to use that one. But if it's not given, in this case, in the tech edinam case, then it's going to log you earn none a month. So that is for the none. So let's try with the empty. Let's see what that one gives us. So empty. So let's run it again and see. So log my details. Let's go to the salary. It says you earn nothing. You earn space a month. And let's go to the log your details once more. And it still says you earn 5,000 euros a month because the empty is an empty string. We have the string tech edinam as first name. So this is a string. The tech edinam is a string. But the empty is also a string, but it is empty. So usually we use the empty in declaring an empty variable. If you have a variable to which you don't know the value, then you use the empty. You earn dash. This does not really read well. So you earn none a month. It's more or less okay, but we can even go further to check. If it is none, then we log a different message. So let's go back to PyCharm. So typically, the none is used for arguments in a keyword. So if an argument, for example, the salary is empty, is optional, sorry, then you use the none variable. But if you want to declare a variable, an empty variable, let's say my pet or something like that, I don't know. So set variable. If you don't know the value at the time of creating this my pet variable, you can just put the empty in it, and let's log the my pet and see what it says. My pet. So let's run it one more time. Let's go to log. Yes, as you can see, there's nothing on the page. Let me add a text. This is my pet. Yes, so we have this is my pet with nothing in it. So meaning if I put none, we are going to see this is my pet, none. Let's see that one too. I haven't tried this before, so let's see what happens. You see, this is my pet, none. So the none is a text string with the text none, whereas the empty is just an empty string, like let's say a space, for example. Yes, so let's just remove this from here. So for now, let's stick to the none being in the argument section of a keyword. So if you want an argument to be optional, you put the none. Then if you want to declare a variable to which you don't know the value of, you use the empty. But it's not nice to be seeing you earn none a month. So we can prepare for that as well, because sometimes the salary can be given, sometimes it might not be given. We have a handy keyword for that. It means for this we need a conditional statement. So if it is none, if the text is none, we do something else. If it is not none, we do something else. So let's see. The keyword is run keyword if. So it says run keyword if, and this is the condition. So for this, let me create another set variable. Let's say season. So season, set variable winter. So we are putting the text or the string winter in this season. So run keyword if, then the condition comes here. So this is the first part of the condition. So let's say run keyword if season. This is how to check what's the string. This is how we do it. So run keyword if season is equal to winter, and this is how we compare in general. This is how we compare variables and values in robot framework or programming. So if you use the one equal to sign, it means you are assigning a value to the season, which is wrong in this case, in this particular case. So now we have to use the double equal to. So we are checking if what is in the season variable is equal to winter. So it says run keyword. Where is the keyword? The keyword is supposed to be here. So let's log, let's say you need a heavy jacket. So if it's winter, you need a heavy jacket. So what if it is not winter? So let's check another condition. So let me copy this one and paste. Else if the season is, let's say, summer. Let's log a simple t-shirt will suffice. Else, so typically we have 4 seasons in Europe. The winter, summer, autumn, and spring. So let's just, if it's not winter, then it's summer. Now let's use the last one to cater for the spring and the autumn. Else, remember to carry an umbrella when going out. So we are just using this one for both the spring and the autumn. So it says run keyword. So run this log keyword if this condition is true. So it says run the log keyword if season is equal to winter. Else, if the season is not winter, let's check. If it is summer, then run this keyword instead. But what if it's not winter and it's not summer? Then for all other cases, so if we had 1,000 seasons, then for all the remaining 998, it is going to log this because we have only provided for winter and summer. So any other season after these two, we are going to log. Remember to carry an umbrella when going out. So for programming languages like JavaScript, C++, Python, we have the if clause, the if statement, if else statements. In robot framework, this is what we have. We have the run keyword if. So when you type it and you hit enter, it gives you a boilerplate with which you can start. So this is how it looks like. So let us run it. Run the file again and see what we get. So let's minimize this. Let's refresh. Yeah, so the season is winter at this point. So let's expand this and see what we get. It says runs the given keyword, the given arguments if condition is true. So it is going to check if what is in the season is winter or not. So if it is winter, this is what it gave us. You need a heavy jacket because it is winter. So it gives us the first log statement, this one. So let's change it to, let's say, summer. And let's run. Now it is summer. The season is summer. A simple t-shirt will suffice. So let me just, even though it is summer, let me just add another text. Let's say kill or something. KOW. And run it again. This is the season now. We have summer KOW. Season equal to summer KOW. But because it is not equal to winter or it is not equal to summer, it is logging the last, it's using the last log statement because summer kill is not the same as summer. So remember to carry an umbrella when going out. So that is the explanation into how we can use the run keyword if. So instead of this was just an example. So let's just remove, let's see, let us remove this one. And let's remove the season. So run keyword if, now the salary. Now we are trying to cater for the salary. So run keyword if salary is equal to summer is wrong. We need to change it. But we can't use the none. We can use the none, but we cannot use the equal to sign. But the problem, we don't know what the value is going to be. The person can type 1,000 euros, can type 100 euros. They can type 20,000 euros. We don't know the exact value coming in. So we have to cater for that one. So all we can do is we need to check if the salary is not equal to none. So it means any other thing passes. But we are checking if it's not equal to none. And this is how we can write the equal to in robot framework. So we have the exclamation sign and the equal to sign. But we still have to change this one. Since it's a string, we have to put it in the quote, these quotes. So we have the none. So after logging the full name, logging the occupation, it now checks Let me just quickly add this one. It now checks run the log keyword if the salary is not equal to none, meaning if the user has provided a value for the salary. So when it gets here, it's going to check if this statement is true. If this statement is true, then it's going to run this keyword. So run keyword if what is in the salary is not equal to none. Log this. So let's try it and see. So we still have the empty, you still have the third argument for log my details test case empty. So let's see. Whilst we have the, let me change this to, let's say, T2000. Now let's run and see. Now let's see. For the first one, for the tech edinam test case, we can't see any log because runs the keyword with the given arguments if condition is true. But salary is equal to none. So the statement is false. It is only going to run that the log keyword if the condition is true. So it reads none is not equal to none, but none is the same as none. So it's not going to run this keyword. Now let's check the John Doe. As you can see, we have the log over here as compared to the tech edinam test case. Run keyword if salary is not equal to none. So runs the keyword with the given arguments if condition is true. As you can see, it has logged the salary. You earn 52,000 euros a month because the salary, which is 52,000 euros, is not equal to none. They are different. So then log this to the screen. So that is the explanation between the none inbuilt variable and the empty inbuilt variable. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to subscribe, like, and share because more content is coming. Thank you.